So, tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Atish Govind Rathod and I am from Nagpur, which is the famous for Zero Mile, which is the center of India. I completed my graduation from Government Dental College and Hospital, Nagpur, and secured 62% marks. My hobbies are watching inspirational movies, playing cricket and badminton. My life of goal is to and become an army officer in Indian Army. And sir, my strengths are that I am very punctual, confident, dedicated, determined, and self-motivated person. Friends call me versatile personality because of my adjustable nature, and I am a competitive person and I love challenges.
Okay. So, what is your family background?
Yes, sir. Sir, we are 5 members in our family. My father is a revenue officer. My mother is a homemaker. I have 2 siblings. Both are married. Elder brother is a assistant manager in Canara Bank.
Okay. So, what do you think? Why should we select you?
Sir, if you are select me, it will be the golden opportunity to me to fulfill my dream. And sir, I am determined and dedicated person, especially towards my work. Moreover, I have a great experience as a medical officer in COVID control room in Nagpur Municipal Corporation. And sir, I really need one chance to show my strength.
Okay. Can you compare yourself from another? What make you different from others?
Sir, although at present I can't judge others who are standing in a queue just like me, but I am confident about myself that I am dedicated, determined, and self-motivated person.
Okay. So, can you give some information about Army Dental Corps?
Sir, Army basically means alert, regular, mobility, and young or youth. Sir, Army Medical Corps is started in 1764. In that, Army Dental Corps or basic dental treatment is started in 1905. Sir, slogan of Army Medical Corps is Sarve Santu Niramayan. That means that सभी सुखी होए, सभी रोग मुक्त होए और सभी का जीवन मंगलमय हो.
So, what are the promotions you know in Army Dental Corps?
Sir, first of all, captain officer is there as an officer post. Then after 2 years of working, major post is granted. Then after 2.5, lieutenant colonel is post is there.
Okay. So, what if we don't select you?
Sir, I really hard for this job and I really struggle for this job, and I am confident about my selection that I will get selected. But unfortunately, if I don't get selected, I would at least know about my weaknesses. I will working upon it and definitely get selected in next year.
Okay. So, can you tell at the last about Chief of Indian Defence?
Yes, sir. There are 3 defence systems of Indian Defence, that are Indian Navy, Indian Army, and Indian Air Force. The Chief of Indian Army is General Shri Manoj Narware sir, and Chief of Indian Army is Admiral Karanbir Singh, and Chief of Indian Craft is Marshal Rakesh Singh Bhadoria sir.
Okay. So, now can you tell me something about your city, that what places we should visit in Nagpur?
Yes,
or from Nagpur?
Sir, I belong to Nagpur city of Maharashtra, which is the sub-capital of Maharashtra. Population is around 24 lakhs and literacy rate is about 89%. And sir, in 1925, Mr. Hettiwar established a Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha, and it is also the headquarters of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangha. In 1956, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar converted into the Buddhism at Diksha Bhumi in Nagpur, and is 1994 city witnesses as a violent day due to the Adivasi Govari stampede death. It has a diamond crossing, which is the junction of north and south and east and western railway. So that's all about my city, sir.